In this video, we're going to talk about how can you create interactive, beautiful infographics like this with AI in just seconds. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So it used to take us hours to create infographics like this. Even with Canva, it took us forever. But now all of this research, everything, the design, the research, fact checking, everything is done by AI. And let me show you the tool we used. It's called Genspark, Genspark AI. That is the URL. And actually, it's a super agent. It can do a lot for you. It can create beautiful slides. It can create websites. It can create sheets. You can download different things with it, download images and videos with it. So this really is a super agent that can do a lot of things for your business. It's kind of like, think of the Genspark as a menace, but it is, one thing I like about Genspark is on the free account, you do get some daily credits. So you can use it for free. Here are some use cases. And now let me show you the simple prompt I used to create this beautiful infographic. So for that, we're gonna click here. And then here is the prompt I used. Right here. So create one page. Let me disable this. One page infographic 9x16 because I wanted it vertical on this topic. And the topic was how do you create online business with ChatGPT. That's it. Super simple. So what you would do is go to this main, enter your prompt, whichever one you want to use, select the AI slides, and then hit enter. You can also attach any data, images, slides for reference. You can also talk to it. That's another option. But let me go back and show you what it did for me. So from that prompt, look at this. So it started doing the research or the thinking. It's doing the search. It's telling me step by step what it's doing. And then eventually it came up with the infographic, all the parts that infographic was going to have. Key features, content structure. So it came up with all of that. We used to do it manually, and then we had VAs who did this from Upwork or Fiverr using tool like Canva. But now, literally in like 30 seconds, this was done. What's really neat is, so it created, this is the second version. The first version was something like this. So up until this point, it created this. I liked it, but I wanted the design to be more colorful, more bold. So I give it further instruction. I said, make it more colorful. Also use some text on the infographic. Make it 2 column if you need more space. Keep it to 1 page. So I wanted to, a lot of times the infographics have multiple columns. So I wanted to give it that feel. So from that instruction, it went back to work, colorful design, more text, and then it came up with second version like this. And by the way, it is code. So here you go. I don't understand any of this, but if you understand code, you can totally take this, publish this on your website. You can make changes to it. So you can embed this in your blog articles. So whatever you want to do. And then it also shows you the thinking. So all the steps that Genspark AI was using to create this AI interactive infographic, you can review this. You can see this here. And then if you click on preview, look at this, and then click on view and export. And then it's gonna open that into a separate tab. From here, you can play these slides. You can publish this. Also, you can export this as a PDF and PowerPoint. How cool is that? So creating business infographics with the research, data from your industry or from any industry used to take us hours, and now less than few minutes, and it's done thanks to Genspark AI. By the way, Genspark AI can do a lot more, and maybe I'll cover that in a separate video. If you want to learn more about Genspark AI, all the superpowers, let me know in the comments below and I can create a separate video. For now, thank you so much for watching. Before you go, like and share so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.